Good day to my fellow friends and lecturers. Today I'm going to talk about interesting facts about 5 planets. I'm very sure all of you have watched movies like Avatar, Avengers, fantasy movies and many more in your lifetime. Have you ever wondered how the planets are made or how the situations will be like if you are an actual planet? Interesting, right? So that's what we are going to talk about, those mind-blowing facts for the next few minutes. Now, let's start with the planet which is the nearest to the Sun in our solar system. I'm sure your guess is right. Yes, it's Mercury. The truth is, we as humans can't even enter the orbit of Mercury because of the temperature and inadequate of air supply. But let's say if you are given a proper suits and equipments to live in actual Mercury, you will see a huge size of Sun, which means when you look at it, it's 250 times bigger than what you see from the Earth. Since it's so much bigger than the usual size, you can only view the whole Sun using a special goggle. Just imagine yourself seeing that huge Sun right in front of your eyes. Amazing, right? Let's move on to the next planet. This planet is also nearest to the Sun and also next to the Mercury. That is Venus. Okay, again, if you are given a proper suits and equipments to survive there, you can't see the sky because the atmosphere of the Venus is fully occupied by thick gases and also thick clouds. That's why when you see through using a telescope, you can't see the Venus, rather just the dark clouds fully cover the planet. Another interesting fact about Venus is the atmospheric pressure on the Venus surface is extremely high. Can you imagine yourself being in a deep underwater roughly around 100 feet? Do you think you can walk or move your hands freely? Literally cannot, right? That's how you can actually survive when you walk on the surface of Venus. Now, the third planet we're going to see is called GJ1214b, and it was discovered in December 2009. This planet is also called as exoplanet. It means this planet is apart from the solar system. So as you all know, our solar system has 9 planets, right? But this one is totally from different galaxy. This planet is most likely known for being an ocean planet. For that reason, scientists have nicknamed the planet as water planet. So the interesting fact about this planet is the whole planet is covered with water. It means in order for you to reach the surface of the water, you have to dive through the massive depth of water, which is about 100 kilometers. Even the deepest sea in our Earth is just 10 kilometers. So just imagine how deep is the sea in that planet. So as you go to the deepest part of the water, there will be formation of ice crystals, which is called as ice 7. Most of you probably don't know what is ice 7. So basically ice 7 is 1.5 times more denser than normal ice crystalline that we normally use. As you reach the deepest part of the water, you will be frozen into ice crystalline before you touch the surface, and eventually you will die. The next planet we're going to see is called Corrod 7b. This planet is fully made up of rocks. But what is so special about it? So basically, the raining process over here is totally upside down. Normally, the water droplets are fallen as rain, right? But here, the rocks are fallen as rain. Interesting, right? That's because the temperature of the planet is 2600 degrees Celsius in daytime, which is hot enough to evaporate the rocks into small particles and form into clouds. So during the night time, it cools and condenses back into rocks and falls on the planet. Again, if you are given a chance to stand on that planet, you would die within seconds because of the huge size of falling rocks. The last and final planet we're going to see is called HD 189733b. Compared to other planets, this one is the most beautiful and spectacular planet because it shines like a glass when you see through using a telescope. The reason behind it is the whole planet is made up of silicate contents. In the previous planet, we saw raining rocks, right? Now the interesting fact in this planet is raining glasses. It's almost same like the previous planet, but in this planet, the silicon glasses are evaporated and falls as rain. Not only that, but together with the huge size of typhoon or hurricane, which is normally around 2 kilometers per second. So just imagine how worse the situation will be if we are in that planet. So I guess all these interesting facts about 5 planets definitely amazed all of you. Not only these planets, but there are tons of planets apart from our galaxy still exist, but yet discovered by the scientists. So I hope all of you do some research on these God's beautiful creations of planets and universe. Thank you.